Today I am making small ribbon flower and I am using this tissue ribbon or organza ribbon, or if you don't have this one you may use satin ribbon also. And for making this flower you need needle and thread, scissor and one pearl. Size of this ribbon is 2.5 centimeter, or its width is 2.5 centimeter. You have to cut it in square shape. All the four sides of the ribbon must be equal. You have to divide it into half. And mark the center. One marking here, divide it into half this line. You have to mark all the four sides like this. Start stitching from one point and go to the another, just like this. From this side to that side, go straight. From this to that. You have to stitch the ribbon in this manner. After this step, you have to start pulling the thread from both the sides slowly. Like this. Now tie both the ends. Cut this thread. Slowly open the petal, or you can adjust it. In the center, I'll attach golden pearl. This small flower is ready. You can use it on hand embroidered kurti or dress, or even on hairband or rubber band or clips. If you want to make this flower with leaf, repeat the same step with green ribbon and start pulling it slowly. And keep this flower like this and start pulling more. Tie them together, or you can stitch them. Like this. At the end, stitch the leaf with the center flower.